Hey everyone! Today we're going to go through just the basic aspects of creating a discovery survey. Just how to navigate through it so you know where everything is. So let's go ahead and do so. Let's go through the top level menu and go down to Create Discover Survey, as it's put here, but it's a discovery survey. We choose our discovery survey type. Full page or button, those are our options. We'll go with full page. And let's just label it test because, you know, we won't be using this one. Let's first look at the top level. We have build, design, configure, and publish. Now, the build page, this is where you'll be spending most of your time. Okay, for the most part. You have your welcome page, which you can drag over, and you'll be presented with a page that you'll need to fill out to make sure it looks just how you want it to look. You'll be able to edit your text over here, title, and down the line. When you're done, you save the page, and then you'll move on to your questions. You can choose from short text, long text, radio, and checkbox. With each one, you'll have to drag it over and then add the question name, an optional Zapier tag, and an optional description. You can also make it a required question and add an other option. Okay. Now, assuming that you want to capture lead information from your participants, drag over contact info here, and then fill out the ensuing contact information page. Much like the welcome page, over here, you'll be editing as needed. And if there's anything you don't want to show up, such as body text, you can simply toggle, and suddenly you don't have that option anymore. It won't show up. Perfect. Let's go back. And then lastly, we have thank you page that you can fill out as well. Okay, that's the build section. Now let's go over to design. This is, of course, where you're going to set up the aesthetic for your discovery survey. Here you can upload a header, upload a logo image, set up your footer, footer navigation, footer text, branding, logo, fonts and font sizes, background image or color, whichever you choose, and then select a color palette. You can even create your own palette if you'd like. And that's design. Let's go now to configure. Now on configure, there are quite a bit of things here. What we'll focus on right now is the general basic settings. All of the other ones we'll cover in other videos. In the basic settings, you can change the discovery name. These are just internal names right here. Your target number of responses, show progress bar, etc. What you'll really want to make sure you do here is update the title. This is what will be shown to your participants when, let's say, they're perusing Facebook or they're on your website. You want to make sure that your title is updated properly, exactly how you want visitors to see it, as well as the description. And lastly, let's go to Publish on the right. With Publish, you can choose between full page and button. Then choose a domain. These are preset domains, but of course if you've inputted a custom domain, then that will show up as well. And then publish your survey. And that's a very high-level overview of what's available to you when you create a discovery survey. Thank you for watching.